According to China EV Post, Changan Automobile's NEV unit Deepal has launched the new Deepal S07 SUV in China. The S07 replaces the S7, aligning with the company's global strategy. Prices for the Deepal S07 range from $20,730 to $29,806. The model offers both EREV and BEV variants. The EREV variant features a 1.5 liters engine and electric motors with power options of 175 kilowatts and 190 kilowatts. It offers a combined range of up to 746 miles on a full charge and tank. The BEV variants come with electric motors of 160 kilowatts and 190 kilowatts, providing ranges of 323 miles and 390 miles. Both variants support 3C fast charging, reaching 80% battery in 15 minutes. The Deepal S07 also includes two variants equipped with Huawei's Qiankun ADS for advanced driving features. You are listening to Yuan News.